Hello guys, today I'm going to show you this cute doggy from Jumbo. This is like a white black dog and it comes with a bone, comes with this leash, comes with this bone, and a checklist. Now let's start unboxing, shall we? Cut open the dog to set him free. Open the dog to set him free. Oh, got open the dog. Now I'm gonna do this side. Got open the dog to set him free. He needs to breathe. He needs to breathe. La 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 la. Okay. Now, let's see, guys. I did it pretty bad. I did this pretty bad. Just cut open this. Then to the top. And then I just cut this here. Now what I need to do is sorry if I'm going a little bit crazy. Sorry if I'm a little bit crazy on the unboxing. First we will check out the leash. This is how the leash looks. Pink. Next thing we're gonna get out is the piece for the bone for the necklace. Oh, let's see. Here it is. Let's put it just there. Okay. Take this out, tape it out. Get off of me tape. Now, I'm gonna show you the bone. Here's the bone for the doggy. Now I'm going to show you the doggy and how I get him out of this pink thing. How I get him out of this pink thing. How I get him out of this pink. What's on the checklist? Aww, doggies. There's 6 different doggies to collect, and there's doggies in the sets. Oh. And this is, yes. But how I get the doggy out? Oh, here's a out opening. Maybe if I snap this piece, I don't know if it's gonna work on the plastic. I need to be careful to not cut something on the dog. Careful, doggy. Careful on the there. Now I get it out of the doggy. But how I did get the doggy out. Let me just stuff the inside this. Look how doggy, you don't want to get cut. You don't want it broke. Right, doggy? And I don't know how I get him out of this thing. Should I just cut open? Now I need to be very, very careful. Oh, here we go. Here's the doggy. But how we... What? This supposed to remove? Oh. What? It's not moving good. What's going on with the doggy?
You need screwdriver.
We need a screwdriver to get it out.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a screwdriver?
Yes, I do, but we need to...
Yes. We're gonna end up the video, and then we're gonna continue when my dad take this out. Okay? Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.